Smoking is a dangerous habit that poses serious risks to your health, from increasing the chances of lung cancer to damaging your heart. Smoking is a choice you might want to reconsider. Here are some of the major risks associated with smoking. 1. Lung cancer. Smoking significantly increases your risk of developing lung cancer. 2. Heart problems. It damages your heart and increases the risk of heart attacks. 3. Breathing issues. Smoking makes it hard to breathe and can lead to diseases like asthma. 4. Dental issues. It can cause your teeth to yellow and gums to weaken. 5. Skin aging. Smoking speeds up the aging process of your skin. 6. Harmful to babies. If you're pregnant and smoke, your baby could be born with low weight. 7. Weak immune system. Smoking weakens your immune system, making you prone to diseases. 8. Toxic chemicals. Cigarettes contain many toxic chemicals that can lead to cancer. 9. Wasteful spending. Smoking is expensive and can be a financial burden. 10. Shorter lifespan. Smokers generally live shorter lives than non-smokers. But the good news is, quitting is possible and anyone can do it. Here are 5 ways to quit smoking. 1. Identify your reasons. Know why you want to quit, whether it's for health, family, or financial reasons. 2. Gradually reduce. Start by reducing the number of cigarettes you smoke each day. 3. Seek support. Get help from family, friends, or medical professionals. 4. Use alternatives. Consider using nicotine gums or patches to help you quit. 5. Stay active. Physical activity can help reduce your cravings for cigarettes. Remember, quitting is tough, but it's not impossible. You can do it.